Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Fiat 500X. So this is a 1.4 petrol, 5-door, as you can see, with the privacy glass. So it's finished in, I think it's Venezia blue. I'm sure that's not really how you pronounce it, but I know it's a factory extra. You have to pay to have it in this colour. I think it really suits the car quite well. So we've taken this in from a customer that we've known for years. She's owned it for a few years. She doesn't live particularly local to us. She moved away, but she part exchanged the car in with us. So it's low mileage. It's got service history with it. As with all our videos, the video is really just to show you how it looks in the flesh as it was. We'll put all the full spec details of the advert on the advert. Really clean, really, for the age and mileage. So as with all our cars, it will be supplied with 12 months MOT and a parts and labour warranty, and there's an option to extend that warranty as well, which we can go through with you. So really low mileage on this one. It's currently done 54219 miles. We've already put it through the workshop and prepped it, so apart from the MOT, it's good to go. Got electric windows, multifunction steering wheel, sat nav, Bluetooth, parking sensors. So yeah, everything you need with it really. Again, all nice and clear in the back. And all nice and straight down this side as well. So as always, with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is because we have people travelling a long distance and we don't want anyone to have a wasted trip. So it's quite simple. You just ring and make an appointment, and then you know when you get here, the car will be here. We can also reserve a vehicle with a small reservation fee. That's just in case you can't come for a few days and you want to save the car. Again, we can give you all the details. If you have any questions or you'd like to arrange a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.